Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at WithU, the app that claims to know your life better than you do by creating personalized workout plans based on your goals and schedule. It sounds cool, but we're here to see if it's actually legit or just another digital paperweight. First off, it's available on both the Play Store and the App Store, which means it actually passed a security check, unlike that free money app you probably should have deleted by now. Being on major platforms makes it accessible and safe, which is a nice change of pace for the internet. Moving on to customer support, and you might want to sit down for this. They actually provide an email, a phone number, and a physical address. It's almost like they want you to be able to find them, which is a bold move in an era where most companies hide behind a broken chatbot named Gary. They're also quite the social butterflies on Facebook, Instagram, and X. With over 28,000 followers on Instagram alone, they clearly have a large audience watching them. And as we all know, if you don't have a curated social media presence, do you even really exist? As for the mystery people behind the curtain, the website shows team photos, though they initially forgot to mention who actually does what. After some light digital stalking, we found the founder, Omar Mansour. It's always comforting to know there's a real human to blame if your fitness journey goes south. User reviews are looking solid too, with a 4.3 on the Play Store and a 4.6 on other platforms. People are obsessed with the meditation and breathing exercises, probably because they're exhausted from trying to keep up with the actual workouts. Users seem to love the avatars and trainer guidance, even if a few people complained about the exercise sequences being a bit wonky. But hey, who doesn't love a surprise burpee in the middle of a relaxing stretch? The final verdict is in. Between the transparent leadership, responsive support, and glowing feedback, WithU seems legit, reliable, and surprisingly fun to use. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, do the usual internet dance, like, share, and subscribe so we can keep judging apps for you.